So we're going to use the wrong tool, the grinder, to do cutting.
Fans.
And our fan connecting cable looks beautiful.
Subscribe to become a fan. If you have a 3D printer, which both of you do, how do 3D printers work? Have y'all never just like taken them apart and figured out where the fans go in chunk?
I mean, no.
I have a Prusa. It just works. I don't take it apart.
What y'all up to?
Hey, heavy lifter. I have to solder onto the power supply, but I don't know what's positive or what's negative.
Rain and new bearings. Your bearing solution expert around.
It's unbearable.
Send us your favorite bearing puns and we'll reply or something. And ring the bell.
Cut! guys up to?
Oh, undoing what we did last build day.
Why?
I'm not good at soldering.
Also, we added this mod, or we are planning to add this mod to keep the power supply off the anodized metal plate. So that's going on, and it wasn't on before.
So if we were building the sandwich, I guess we forgot to put ketchup on the sandwich, so we're taking apart the sandwich to put ketchup on the sandwich.
Well put.
Nice.
It had like Oregon Trail, and I want to say it had something else on it.
Like that one.
But it was like an old, like, well, yeah, it was like an
You guys had that
old
one game
Apple II. Like it didn't even have a graphic user interface. Like it was command line. Back in my day.
Fluffing.
Extra force. Ah!
The ketchup is for so that the house doesn't burn down.
Just waiting to hear something crack.
Yeah, me too. Now, just to make sure that everything's still working, we have, time to block it, 24 volts.